Good morning. I'm gonna go over how to buy things on this the stock market game because I know it's a little confusing. Now, if you have not registered, please get on and register. I know that the website's a little finicky, but if you pay attention to the pink bars at the top, that will tell you what your problem is. And usually the problem is because of your password. Your password needs to be 8 characters long. It needs to have a capital, a number, and a symbol. All right, so if it's not registering you, scroll back up to the top and see if there's a pink bar. That will tell you what you need to fix. Once you get registered, it will say your username up here in the top right corner. For this demonstration, my username is 123testing. All right, once it says the username that you set up, you're going to come over here to make a trade. Click on the first option where it says stocks and ETFs, and it will take you to this one. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to buy for today. We aren't going to play with any of the other actions, so just make sure that this far left box says buy. You're going to put in the ticker symbol that you want. So as you start putting things in, the ticker symbols, then it will show up down below what it is. So I'm going to buy some stock in Disney today. And let's say I'm going to buy 100 shares. All right, this just needs to say market. It's the default, don't change it. We aren't going to worry about these 3 boxes at all. So just leave those where they are. Then you need to come down and scroll, and you're going to click preview order. It's going to tell you the estimated cost. So for mine, it's $18,000. Keep in mind that this will not let you purchase more than $25,000 at a time. So if it's not going through, check the cost. Also, if you come up here, you'll see the pink bar that says that trade is not allowed. So you either need to find a different stock or maybe even just take down the quantity. All right, so then I'm just going to click to confirm my order, and it's going to say order placed successfully. All right, then just go back up and buy 4 more stocks. I want you to have at least 5. You have $100,000. Try not to spend all of it today. All right, but spread it out a little bit. So that's the first thing I need you to do is buy 5 different stocks. Your second thing you're going to do is you're going to research mutual funds. So remember, mutual funds are like bundles of stocks that you can get to help with diversification. So you're going to go to the fidelity.com website, and you're going to go to news and research, and then scroll down to mutual funds. And when you click on that, you will see that there are over 3,000 mutual funds available. So you're going to click view results, and it's going to bring you screens of all those 3,000 mutual funds. So just kind of look through it. You need to select 5 different ones. Please don't just do the top 5, like really look through them and see which ones are available. All right, so let's do, just for example's sake, I'm going to do Lord Abbott because it sounds fancy. All right, now all the information that you need to put on that slide for your 5 comparisons are found on this page. All right, here's your expected ratio. You can see your hypothetical growth right here. That's one of the ones you have to answer. I'd also like you to see what are the top stocks that this mutual fund is investing in. So you're going to scroll down to where it says top 10 holdings, and you're going to choose the top 5. All right, and write down their ticker symbol. That can actually help you determine which stocks you want to buy as we play the How the Market Works game. So like this one, their top performing stock is Apple, then Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Roku. All right, hopefully that helps you understand how to do the 2 assignments for today. If you have any missing work, use the rest of the time to complete any missing work that you have, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.